Okay, for number 6, says hydrogen chloride reacts with aluminum to make aluminum chloride and hydrogen gas. They want to know how many grams of aluminum metal must be added to the hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid, to produce 33.6 liters of hydrogen gas. Alright, so first, let's see, 33.6, it's kind of sad, 0.6 liters of H2. Alright, well first we have to balance the equation. So if the 3 here, if we put a 3 over here, then that's going to give me 3 hydrogens, which I can't balance with the 2 over here. So probably if I multiply this by 3, and then I come over here and multiply this, would have to be by 6. That balances out the hydrogens, and then to get the chlorines to balance, I have to put a 2 here and then a 2 here for the aluminums. Alright, well, 33.6 liters of hydrogen. Well, this is at STP. So 22.4 liters equals 1 mole at STP. So if you think about 33.6, that's 22.4 plus half of 22.4, or in other words, 1.5 moles of hydrogen gas. Alright, so they want to know how many moles of aluminum. So to go from that, if I have 1.5 moles of hydrogen gas, my mole ratio, right, to figure out for aluminum is 2 moles of aluminum for every 3 moles of hydrogen gas, right? So that's going to be 1 mole of aluminum. Alright, so if you look up the molar mass of 1 mole of aluminum, that's about 27 grams. So then the answer would be C. Okay, for number 7, they give you the moles of 3 gases and the total pressure. So you've got carbon dioxide, gas 1, carbon monoxide, gas 2, and then water vapor, gas 3, which is a total of 1 moles of gas, and it says that the total pressure is 0.80 atmospheres. Alright, so one of your equations, the mole fraction equation, says that if you have mole fraction of one of the gases, alright, divided by the total, equals the partial pressure of that gas divided by the total. So they want to figure out the partial pressure of one of those gases, in this case CO2. Alright, so then if I multiply both sides by the total pressure, I'd get the moles of CO2 divided by the total moles, alright, times the total pressure. Alright, so if you plug those in, moles of CO2 over the total moles, multiply that by the total pressure, then you'll get the answer to number 7.